Hello, welcome to another Tomboy Beauty unboxing with me, Amy Harber. You're probably watching this on YouTube. That's where to follow me. Or Instagram. Follow me there. But if you really want some fun, follow me on Twitter too. Anyway, this is the Walmart Spring 2020. Yes. Little spring beauty sensations. Some cool things. Some things I might not use. Some things I might give away. I don't know. Let's get into the products and find out. So hey, Walmart Spring 2020 Beauty Sensations. It's weird that it said spring because I didn't get it until June. Anyway, and now I'm just now unboxing it like 6 months later because, hey, procrastination during quarantine. We've all done it. So let's see what we have in here. I love that they don't give you a product listing, or at least they don't. I think they start to in other boxes, which I have here. Why? Because procrastination in quarantine is key. So let's see what we have here. We have one of my favorite brands, Hello. We have a charcoal infused tapered toothbrush, which I've already gotten these in another box. It's really cool because you know it's time to change your toothbrush when your bristles go like completely like from black to like gray, which is really cool. However, this may end up in a gift box. I think I'm going to be having a giveaway soon, and I have an electronic toothbrush, so I don't have a need for this, even though it's really cool. So it might be going into a giveaway soon, but you're going to have to keep watching to find out what that giveaway is. Then we have some Hello Anti-Plaque Whitening Fluoride-Free Toothpaste Natural Peppermint. This is not going to be in the giveaway. I'm keeping it for myself. So, giveaway pile. Another thing that might be ended up in a giveaway soon is these Salon Perfect Design Nail Set. I get my nails done, so I won't be needing these. They have 24 nails in here. It's got the nail file, it's got the glue, it's got everything you need to do your nails if you're not comfortable getting your nails done in quarantine or in the time of COVID. So this is going to go into the giveaway pile. Then we have, I could have used some of this like a year ago. Why did I procrastinate? It is Natural Vitality Calm. It's a magnesium supplement. A lot of people I know are touting drinking magnesium or taking magnesium before you go to bed, and that it really helps with anxiety. I find that Klonopin works just as well. I'm not advocating to take prescription pills, but this really helped me. Anyway, my chiropractor back in Los Angeles used to preach this, so I think now I'll finally try it. Haven't lived there for 3 or 4 years. Then we have Biore Rose Quartz and Charcoal. Great for oily skin, which I don't have right now because Chicago, dry, winter. Deep cleans and radiates self-love. It's a daily purifying cleanser. I will save this for when it starts getting humid and I start getting greasy. And then finally we have Suave Curl Defining Cream for naturally curly and coily hair. Mine's pretty straight, it's wavy, but if I use stuff like this, it makes it more wavy. So, again, dry hair though. So, I like to use products that have a lot of coconut oil in them during the winter because I get really dry from the heat, the wind, the conditions. So, can't wait to try this. And that is the lovely Spring Beauty Sensations box. This is where you can find me. Why are you not already subscribed to me? Duh. Until next time, stay beautiful.